All right, guys. So we're gonna do, this is an example of a really basic sheet metal layout. All right. Um, it might be difficult for you guys to see, but the base of my box is 5 inches wide from end to end, 5 inches tall. And then we notched out 1 inch by 1 inch corner at each corner. This TYP right here stands for typical. So anything that looks like about that same dimension, go ahead and assume it is. That prevents us from having to put dimension lines all over our drawing and kind of cluttering stuff up. So I went ahead and laid these out on a piece of paper, all right? And I cut them out on their perimeter. Now, when we fold these, for your paper, it's really pretty basic, but I'll show you guys in the shop on another video on how to lay these out. We're going to go ahead and lay a straight edge down right on that bend line, and that's going to simulate the break that we have in the shop. And I'm going to get a nice crease right on that line. Now, typically when we're working on the break in the shop, you can't just go around in a circle, because if I go to bend this one, that's going to interfere with this. So typically I'll just go across each side, laying that ruler down to have a nice, good, clean edge. And I'll continue to do that as I go around here. If you have like an ID card or something, that'll work too. All right, so we'll have bent this all up to make the bottom of a box. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this for a second, do the top, and then tape it all together. You see what the final product looks like. All right, so I finished folding up the bottom, and I just taped off the corners a little bit. I finished folding up the top and did the exact same thing. And if everything works correctly, that lid, if you did it dimensionally accurate, should fit right over the box like that. So to turn this in, I would like for you guys to take a picture of the lid on top of the box. So make sure I can see both. I can see this seam right here. In the shop, in the next video I'm gonna make for us, this is the metal version of this same project. All right, so go ahead and check out the next video, and I'll show you how this is laid out on the sheet metal brake and the press and the like. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions or if you need any help with anything.